how to fix Instagram stories in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix Instagram stories problem easily and fast, just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here, and here you will find so many options. Click on apps again and it will take you to this page. As you can see now on this page, all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading, and then here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So let's go to the Instagram. Here is it. If you didn't find it here, just search here in the search bar and then click on it, and then go to this option. It's called app details, and here it will take you to Play Store. If you found this update option here in the green, all what you have to do is click on it to update it. If it's not, just go back and then go and click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, click on force stop, and then reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.